Hi guys, let's see how to rename multiple files inside a folder using PowerShell or command prompt. So let's say this is the folder, just go inside the folder and now right click on an empty space pressing the shift key from your keyboard. Just press the shift key without leaving the shift key, right click and it'll show you open in terminal. Just click on it. Now what you have to do, we have different codes for this. Okay, let's expand it. Yeah, so here it is. Now using few codes we can replace certain items. So the first code, what it does, it replaces first code with the second code. So let's see, we want to replace the new text document with, let's say, river. Okay, so let's name the new string new text. Better you can copy it, copy this so that there are no spell mistakes. Just we want that new text document should be replaced by US. Okay, so copy this and now we will run this, hit enter, and this is all the new documents are converted into US. Now let's say we want to replace this dash and space with some other string. Okay, so what we'll do, we will put the first string space dash this. Now let's say we want to replace this extra space under the name with and we want to remove this extra space from front and back of the dash. So let's remove this. What we'll do, we'll copy this space and extra space dash and space, put this in the first string, and the second string should be simply dash. Now copy this and paste it, hit enter, and here it is, all the dash has been removed. Now let's say we want to remove all the US from the front. Okay, US and dash from the front. So US and dash first string and the string to replace with nothing. Okay, so we want to remove it. Copy this, paste it, hit enter, and that is, they have removed. The first one was not having dash, so it has not removed. Okay, so similarly we can do these kind of things. Now let's say we want to add London key in front of all those names which are not having US. Okay, so what we'll do, strings which are not having US, we will add London. Okay, sorry, so what we'll do, directory exclude which are not having US with London and a dash. Okay, so all the files which are not having US in the name will be London and a dash will be added in front of the files. So copy this, paste it, hit enter, and see the magic. The files which were not having London US were changed to London. So these kind of magics we can do with these codes. Let's say we want to add something at the end. Okay, so let's say we want to add a dash and a string, let's say endy at the end. So just copy this and replace this endy with your own string, hit enter, and see endy is added. So similarly, in this way, we can rename multiple files with the way we want. Okay. Now let's start renaming them with command prompt. So these are the command prompt commands. So search command prompt, right click and click on run as administrator, click on yes. Now what we'll do, the first string says we will rename all the files which are having this string to this string. Okay, so let's say we will rename all the files which are having London at the front with only L. Okay, or something like S. Okay, or a different string, London with Sondon. Okay, so how to do this? First of all, we'll have to go to this location in the command prompt. For that, we will copy the top address bar and then type cd and then paste the address bar path, hit enter, and now we are inside it. Now we will run this code, hit enter, and see all Londons has been changed to Sondon. Okay, let's say we want to remove all the Sondon. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll remove Sondon with these strings, and the number of strings are number of letters. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, so there should be 6 letters. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, only 6. Okay, so let's remove Sondon, delete the characters of Sondon, hit enter, and here it is, Sondon has been removed. Okay, so these things we can do. And here is one interesting code, that is a loop which add this thing at the start. So let's say we run this code, hit enter, and see all the codes are having a starty and one more string at the start. So these codes I have given in the description of this video. You can directly copy these codes. Just don't forget to replace these things with your own strings. Thanks for watching.